Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your host Meenakshi again, and today I have come to our goat farm which is located just around 20 kilometers from Guwahati, and it is a very hot and sunny day, so I have come to spend my day in the goat farm today, and I just want to show you a glimpse how I spent my day in the goat farm. We have quite a lot of variety of goats here. You can see behind me, and since this morning basically everybody is fast asleep, they are still dozing off. So let's have a look at the goats. Well, this is the first goat I'm showing you. He's a black beetle. His breed is beetle, and he's very aggressive. Nobody can go near him. He's always angry. There he's wagging his tail. Probably he knows me by now. And we have tied him separately on this pillar. Cannot keep him in groups because he fights with everybody around him, and he's just 11 months old. Hello there. Hello. There he is looking at me. Very cute, isn't it? Look at his face. Look at his eyes. Hi. Pretty. Well, these are another bunch of beetle goats. These are for sale. Since it's morning, everybody is still dozing. Nobody is standing up. They're all sitting. This is the cutest one, isn't it? He has a design on his forehead and face. Just look at the way he's looking at me. Sorry, she's not he, she's she. Hello. Look at the long ears they have just hanging. It's so beautiful. And they are all black beetles. So it's morning, everybody is lazy. I'll take another video when they are all jumping around, moving around. So this is the morning time, the lazy time of them. Only she is standing. Probably she's loving the camera. Hello there. Let me touch her. Hi. There she is. Hello. Wow. These are all beetle. Their characteristic is they do have white eyes, everybody. I mean, that is the main characteristics. But this is slightly different. The eyes is little brown. But basically, beetles are supposed to have white eyes. There she is coming towards me. Bye. I'm scared. Wow. Well, we have this another bunch of goats here. They are Assam Hill goat, the shorter varieties with short ears. These ones. Hi there. And there are these two little baby goats. They both are sitting down. It's morning time and they are still lazy, I suppose. Although they are done with the breakfast. This is their breakfast. And we have 4 beetles along with them. Currently we are keeping them with these hill goats as there's scarcity of space. As you see, we are still building up the farm. There's black and white with these white eyes. Oh, this looks scary at times. Hi. Hello. And then we have this black and brown. Look at the way they are sleeping. Oh my god, they are so lazy. And this black one and the one next to it. Everybody is lazy. And this is another small baby goat. This white one, it's eating something, chewing something. Hi. Look at the ears. It's beautiful, isn't it? Just love them. Hi. And this is another one. Hi there. Hi. Well, these are another bunch of goats we have. All are of different breeds. Some are hill goat, some are L4, some are L3. So these are different varieties of goats we have. We have kept them together currently. And there somebody is getting up. Hi. Having its breakfast. There. She's beautiful, isn't it? Look at her furs. Hello. Few of them are pregnant. So very soon we will be getting more baby goats. She's coming near me. Hi there. Hello. Hi, she's smelling me. There. She's trying to eat my finger. That's so cute. Hello. Hello. Hi. Let me show you some more goats. And these are the beetles. Everybody is busy having their lunch now. Just look at them. Wow. And this is their plate for breakfast. This is called silage. It's very healthy for them. It's mixed with corn. So everybody is busy now. This is the Barbary breed. They are from MP and Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. So they are basically a cross of deer and goat. Even they are very aggressive. This is a male Barbary. This is a male one. And this both are female and one of them is pregnant. So very soon we will be having more baby Barbary goats. And we have another two Barbaries here. This one and this one. And they are beautiful. Hello. Hi. This is a Barbary goat. So these guys are awake now. They are called Sirohi and they are basically from Rajasthan. They have a huge size. Mabenda, yak pan khara koi diok nai duta. Ah. So everybody is busy having their lunch now. It's lunch time for them. Hello. Ooh. There. So these are basically Sirohis. And everybody is busy having lunch now. And these are again beetle. They are from Punjab. They are considered to be one of the strongest breed in goats. There are 3 of them. This is the male one. There. They're so camera friendly. Oh my god. Hello. Yes. There. Hello. Cute, isn't it? Hello. Hello. Just look at the ears. Hello, go and have your dinner. Lunch. Hello. See? Look at the face. Look at the eyes. He knows me actually. Everyone is busy having their lunch. Basically, we hang these leaves on a piece of bamboo, and this is how the goats love to eat their lunch. They don't like it when it is on the ground, so we are basically hanging it so that they feel in a natural environment of eating it directly from the trees. So these are the beetle breed who are still having their lunch. So one of the beetle has just climbed the stairs and he's on the first floor trying to pull the leaves from the top. And this is their water bowl from where they drink their water. Well, we have two more guests in our farm. The first guest, it's a cock and a hen we have. Where is she? Yeah, there she is. Hello. Look at her crown. And her coat is so beautiful. They arrived yesterday. They look a little bit scared, but I'm sure they'll feel at home very soon. They're a couple basically. A hen and a cock. It's lunchtime for us now. We are sitting under this shed, which will be later made into a farmhouse again for the beautiful goats. And this is my lunch. This is rice, egg, lemon, onion. This is ghost chili, piece of ghost chili, and this is some pickle, and this is dal. So I'll be having lunch now, and that's the beautiful scenery in front of our farm. Well, we are done for the day and we are leaving for home. Hope everybody enjoyed the video and see you all soon. Bye bye.